Hey guys, Jess here. In this video I'm going to show you how I create bookmarks of my original artwork. So for a start, I have designed this here and then after I've designed that, like a template or whatever, but I designed that look of the front of the bookmark and the back of the bookmark, and then I print it off using this printer. And the paper I use is a matte photo paper, and the artwork looks really nice on that type of paper, I find. And then once it's done printing, just grab it, place it here, and that's when I start cutting. So for the cutting process, I like to use this cutting board here. It's really nice. I have another type as well, the one you bring the handle down. But I like this one more because I can line it up better. So like the lines here, it's just easier to see because this part is see-through. And it also has this metal wire. Bring that in closer so you can see. There we go. It's got this metal wire here, so I just line that up with the black line, and that way I can get a real nice straight cut. Line that up a little bit better. Alright. So I'm just going to line this up here and start cutting. One down, more to go. I like to start off cutting the around the edges first. I don't know why, I just do. That one didn't cut good. Have to try that again. There we go. Blade might be getting a little dull. There. So once the cutting part is done, then it's gluing. So this is the glue I use from Tumble. I like it much better than a glue stick. Glue stick I just find kind of messy. So with this stuff, I just feel it's less mess and I have a little more control. Grab my 2 pieces. I'm just going to take the back and making sure the back. So I've had this issue before, made this mistake, totally regret it, but had this upside down when I had it like that. Didn't pay attention, glued it, stuck it together, and yeah. So after that mistake, I've learned my lesson, and I always make sure that it's facing the right way. Double check, triple check, just to make sure. And yeah. So with this, lay it down like that. I like to do 3 lines down. Like so. And then line over on the top and on the bottom. I just do it to the one side as well. And then carefully, very carefully, join them together. Just line them up like so. I'm just going to push down and hold for a bit. That way the glue can stick good. There we go. And once that is done, I just place it in a clear sleeve. These clear sleeves I get from Amazon. I really like them because not only do they make the bookmark look really nice, but they also protect them too. Also gives it that nice shine. So just very carefully I push it in. Alright, there, and there's that. I like to check for any imperfections. Sometimes with these there be like some markings on them. So once I have it in, I just check for any imperfections, any markings and that. Because I want to make sure that when the customer gets one of these, like buys them, because I sell them on my Etsy shop, so when the customer gets it, they can get a real nice looking piece. Real nice looking bookmark. And once I have that, grab a tassel, a real nice looking tassel that I also get on Amazon. I just stick it through there, put it through the hole, and voila! A very pretty bookmark. And the way I package these is with tissue paper and then some black and white twine and branding and all that stuff, just to make it look nice. I like to make it look like a gift, so then the person who gets it can feel like they're getting a gift. It's one of those little special things. And also, when I go to ship these, I like to have here's my little thank you card that I like to add in. And then I also use these flat rigid photo mailers, very strong, so I don't have to worry about it being damaged during shipping. I haven't had any complaints, so that's good. And it also fits these bookmarks real nice too, so I like how it gives just a little bit of space there so I can have them centered and just well protected. And that is it for this video. I'm actually thinking of changing the way I make these because this way I find just a little time consuming. So I've been thinking about finding a new way to make them. I might get a company to do them for me instead. But first I want to give it a try, see how it goes, and then if that way, if I end up liking it that way, I might just do it that way instead. It'll save me some time, and then I have more time to create. Yeah. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this is the way that if you want to get into making bookmarks, this is definitely the way to start. It's worked for me so far, and I've been selling a lot of them. This is actually one of my popular pieces, so if it's something that you're considering doing, you should totally give it a try. Or if you want to get it done by a company, you can do that too. But this is just one way to do it. Anyways, have yourself a great day or great evening, wherever you're at. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Also, if there's any other videos that you'd like to see me make, just let me know in the comments down below. Alright, that's it. See ya. Take care, guys.